Welcome to Trend AI Today. Do you know how technology is shaping the future of healthcare? Imagine being able to visualize a beating 3D virtual heart or having voice-activated assistants that streamline hospital operations. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is already here, and it's being powered by tech giants like Amazon Web Services, AWS. Today, we're taking you on a journey through innovation and patient care. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. A heartfelt start, 3D virtual models. Picture this: a doctor shows a patient a 3D model of their heart, beating right before their eyes, virtually, of course. This isn't science fiction, it's part of a groundbreaking initiative aimed at improving both healthcare education and diagnostics. AWS is pushing the boundaries by integrating cutting-edge solutions, from real-time data analysis to interactive virtual tools. Meet Dr. Angela Shippy, the doctor-turned-tech innovator. Leading this innovation wave is Dr. Angela Shippy, a former practicing physician who's now a tech executive at AWS. Her role? Bridging the gap between healthcare and technology to make patient care smarter, faster, and more efficient. Dr. Shippy collaborates with over 700 healthcare leaders across the U.S., helping hospitals streamline operations and enhance the overall patient experience. Alexa, turn up the innovation. One of the simplest but most impactful innovations is the integration of voice-activated assistants in hospital rooms. Imagine a patient controlling room lights or adjusting the temperature through simple voice commands, no need to call a nurse. This frees up nurses to focus on critical tasks like administering medications and conducting diagnostic tests. Why cutting costs matters. Healthcare institutions constantly face challenges, from rising operational costs to labor shortages. Dr. Shippy emphasizes how cloud technology helps hospitals reduce IT infrastructure expenses by up to 60%. These savings not only cut costs but also improve efficiency, enabling healthcare providers to deliver better care. AI and cloud, transforming patient care. The digital transformation of healthcare is accelerating, with the market projected to exceed $115 billion by 2030. AWS and other tech giants like Microsoft are collaborating with major electronic health record providers, revolutionizing how patient data is managed and analyzed. A patient's journey through tech. Imagine a patient with cardiovascular disease being shown a virtual model of their heart. Visualizing the impact of high blood pressure or restricted blood flow motivates patients to follow treatment regimens more diligently. The rise of virtual intensive care units, ICUs. AWS is redefining critical care with virtual ICUs. Nurses can monitor more patients simultaneously and provide uninterrupted attention during crucial admission or discharge processes. This system significantly reduces nurse burnout and improves patient outcomes. Roberta Schwartz, CEO of Houston Methodist Hospital, highlights how virtual ICU technology has led to remarkable improvements, including a 20% reduction in emergency events and shorter hospital stays. From medicine to tech, Dr. Shippy's inspiring journey. Dr. Shippy's career journey from practicing medicine to becoming a tech leader is nothing short of inspiring. She has always championed technological advancements in healthcare, from piloting electronic documentation to advocating for user-friendly devices. Her unique background allows her to communicate effectively with both healthcare practitioners and tech developers. This dual perspective ensures that technological innovations are practical and beneficial for clinicians. Tackling healthcare system challenges. One persistent issue in healthcare is patient dissatisfaction, often stemming from long waits and brief appointments. With 56% of hospital revenue going toward labor costs, finding efficient solutions is crucial. AWS aims to alleviate these challenges by automating administrative tasks, allowing healthcare professionals to focus on patient care. Empowering women and underrepresented communities. Dr. Shippy is passionate about raising the profile of women and minorities in healthcare and tech. Although women make up a significant portion of the healthcare workforce, they are underrepresented in leadership roles. Dr. Shippy remains optimistic that technological advancements will lead to more inclusive decision-making. Closing thoughts: the healthcare revolution is here. At Trend AI Today, we believe that technology has the power to transform lives. Dr. Shippy's journey and AWS innovations are just the beginning of a healthcare revolution that promises better outcomes for patients and more fulfilling roles for healthcare professionals. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trend AI Today for more updates on how technology is shaping our world. Let us know in the comments, what healthcare innovation excites you the most? See you next time.